Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to find the complete and the simple predicate in a sentence. Stay with me until the end so you can learn how to do it really well. Before we start, there is something that you have to remember. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, or animal or thing that the sentence is about. In other words, the subject will tell you what or who the sentence is about. Okay, but in a sentence, you cannot only include a subject. That will not be enough to understand the information or the message that you want to send. You need to include more details, and that's why learning about the predicate is important. Because the predicate will be like an action. In other words, a predicate is something that the subject does. Okay? So the predicate is a verb, is an action in a sentence, okay? And we also have a complete predicate and a simple predicate. In a minute, I'm going to explain you how to find the complete and the simple predicate in a sentence. Before we start, let's read the information that I included here for you. A predicate is the action done by the subject, as I was explaining you before. The complete predicate includes all the words that tell what the subject is doing, okay? And the simple predicate is a main word or verb in the complete predicate of a sentence. So, the complete predicate is all the words that are after the action or after the verb in a sentence. And the simple predicate will be the main verb in a sentence, okay? I included 4 examples here for you. Let's do it. All right. Example number 1. Europeans came to New England by boat. It will be very easy for you to identify the subject, right? What is the subject of the sentence? Of course, Europeans, but that's not what we're looking for right now. It is important to remember, of course, but we need to look for the predicate. Okay, now, since you know the sentence is about Europeans, we need to know what they did. What did they do? What action did they do? So, that is a question that you need to ask yourself. What did Europeans do? So, they came to New England by boat. So, all this is going to be the complete predicate, right? They came to New England by boat. So, I included all these words over here because that's where the verb starts. So, in this case, I'm going to take all these words. Now, it is time to look for the simple predicate. The simple predicate is the main verb in the complete predicate. So what is a verb in this phrase? Of course, the verb is came, okay? To circle this word, okay? Came is a simple predicate, and came to New England by boat is a complete predicate. Next one. Cities grew because of trade. What or who grew because of trade? Cities. And what did cities do? They grew because of trade. So in this case, the complete predicate will be because of trade, because it includes all the words after the main verb. So what is the main verb in that phrase? Grew because of trade. Okay, the main verb will be grew. Okay, so we're going to circle this one. Okay, grew is the main verb or the simple predicate. Number 3. Many communities depend on the ocean. Who depends on the ocean? Many communities. What do communities do? They depend on the ocean. So the complete predicate in the sentence will be depend on the ocean. All right? Depend on the ocean. So, what is the main verb in the sentence or in the phrase? Of course, is depend. So, depend is the like I said, the simple predicate. All right, let's do it. Depend. All right, it's already circled. Now, number 4, in the last example, a lot of people love the big city. Who loves the big city? A lot of people. What did the people do? They love the big city. All right, so in this case, the complete predicate will be love the big city. What is the simple predicate? The main verb, in this case, it's love, okay? So we're gonna choose this one. I'm gonna write it over here, okay? All right, love. So guys, that is the way you look for the complete and the simple predicate in the sentence. Remember to ask yourself this question: what did or what does the subject do? Okay, and in that way you will easily identify the complete and the simple predicate. If you have more questions, please don't forget to ask. Thanks for watching the video.